Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Spocket account to your Amazon account. Alright, so the first thing you want to do now is to log into your Spocket account, and if you don't have an account already, you have to create an account with them, and I'm going to add a link to Spocket also at the description of the video. So once you've created the account, the next thing you want to do now is to log into your account. So I've created my account with Spocket already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on login so I can log in to my Spocket account. So here I'm going to click on continue with Google. So alright, as you can see, I've just logged into my Spocket account. So the next thing you want to do now is to directly link your Spocket account to Amazon so you can start selling your product from Spocket on your Amazon seller account. So for you to do this, what you want to do is you want to log in, as I said, to your Spocket account, then pick a plan. All right, so if you don't have a plan already, you won't be able to link them together. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the left hand section here, then come over here, then click on store. So you're going to see your store here. So what you want to do is click on your store. So once you click on your store, you're going to see the platform that you can currently link your Spocket account to. So as you can see, so by default you'll be able to link your Spocket account to your Shopify account, and you can see here you can actually link it to Amazon, and you're also going to see the rest of platform you can link your Spocket account to. So what you want to do here is you want to come over to Amazon, then click on connect. All right, so when you click on connect, it's going to bring out the plan for you. So the plan that allows you to link your Spocket account to your Amazon seller account is the Empire plan. All right, so the starter plan, which is the one I have, gives me the ability to link to my Shopify store. All right, so for you to be able to sell on Amazon with your Spocket account, you're going to need to upgrade to the Empire plan, which is going to cost you around $100 per month. So once you have this, you can just select this, and you'll be able to connect your Spocket account to your Amazon seller account, and you'll be able to link product from Spocket to Amazon and sell on the Amazon platform. All right, so this is basically how you can connect your Spocket account to your Amazon seller account. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.